Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a 2022 Toyota Tundra. We're doing daytime running lights on it from Cartrimhome. Been working on these already. I'm extending the cables as we speak so we can do the kind of plug and play installation. I'm going to show you everything once we start working on the truck. So let's get to it. Before you do the installation, make sure that you get one of these adapters for the fuses. The two 10 amp fuses, they're gonna go right here, and you're gonna connect this one probably to the USB, so the lights, they're gonna go on and off every time you turn on and off the truck. I did the same process on my daytime running lights for the RAV4, so pretty much it's the same process. The cables, I have them right here. The three cables from the light. As you can see, this is the whole wiring harness. Cables, you have the white, is gonna go to the fuse with this one, but I already did the extension. Red one to the battery positive, black one to the battery negative, and the yellow ones to the turn signals. So pretty much it's the same process that I did on my RAV4. Shouldn't be any problem. I'm gonna show you once I get the truck that is coming. In a few minutes I'm gonna start working on that. Once I get the truck, I'm gonna show you the whole process. But the instructions, they're in Chinese and I'm Mexican, so I don't have the instructions in English. So I think this is the same process as my RAV4, obviously, and I'm gonna make this cleaner, obviously, but I'm doing the testing right now. Okay guys, for this step, when you want to do the turn signal to get to the bulb, at least for me it was easy to remove the 10 millimeters around here, pull on the bumper a little bit, and then you're gonna have access to the bulb. It's gonna be over there on top, and it's right there. Okay guys, if you see the connector, your connection for the turn signal is gonna be the one on the left, and that's turn signal. And obviously if I put only the turn signal right now, it's gonna be flashing really fast because it doesn't have the bulb. It's gonna pretend like the bulb was out. I have to do the same thing on this side, but once I finish the connection, we're gonna have running lights and turn signals on it. Okay guys, connection is done. If you guys remember the white cable that I put extension, I don't use it. I really don't know. I'm gonna check with Cartrimhome because I don't know what it is. But the yellow one is connected to the turn signal. The bulb is in here. You have to kind of open everything to get to it. Same thing on the other side. The running lights. I connect the running lights to the fuse box. I was afraid to use any other fuse in here because everything is all-wheel drive, is ignition, ABS. So the only one that I have right now available is wipers, and I run it with this connection. When you get those lights, make sure that you get this connector for fuses. It's gonna save you. So that's the red one, and the black one, I run it to the negative of the battery, and the yellow ones to the turn signals, and that's it. Pretty much the connection is the same as the ones that I have on my RAV4, but I believe that white one is for the blue light on this. Probably this one has blue and white. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna check that later. But that white cable is actually this one that I put in an extension. Now it's black, but I know it's white. That one, I'm not gonna connect it. Probably is that. If you bought these LEDs and you connect the white cable, let me know if it's blue. I believe it's blue light, but we don't need blue light. We just need white and amber for the turn signal. Pretty much that's gonna be it. Installation is gonna be done super easy, but like I said, you have to extend the cables, one for the negative of the battery, one for the fuse, and that white one we're not gonna use it, and the yellow one for the turn signals. Let me finish that side and we're gonna complete this installation. Okay guys, installation is done on the 2022 Toyota Tundra.